as you already know, I took this bad boy down recently for a little inspection, see how it's doing, and I'm pretty happy with the results. However, the actual sensor inside, the DHT11, has failed me, so I need to replace it. Unfortunate, I don't have any spare sensors at home, so I'll be using a donor board. And this is my other project I've been working on. I might have showcased this or not, I don't remember. This is the RFID tag node for the clocking in system, and usual shtick. You got your little gasket thing going on everywhere, and you got the Ethernet shield, the Arduino, the power. The rubber thing is a theme, as you all know, because I really enjoy it to make it dust proof and as weatherproof as possible on the cheap. Now, I made it kind of easier for you to see. I kind of pre-dismantled it so it doesn't take as long on video. Just a few screws. Here we go. This is the sensor here, and there is one just underneath this RFID scanner. As you can probably tell, it also has a buzzer. There's a buzzer right here, a bit of messy soldering going on, and the actual sensor that I'm after. So some wires here, but I'm gonna worry about this later. I'm gonna take it out first so I can use it here. So that should be a rather quick one, he says. So it shouldn't take long. Here we go. So the screw is out. Here we go. One of them is already out. Two more pins. Here we go. I probably should take note which one is where for later reference. So I'm just gonna get rid of this for now. All of it. Because I really don't need it. This can be here. I really don't care about that. So I got a functional sensor. Now just take this one out. Should be a breeze as well. Okay, that looks like it's out. Magnetic screwdriver always helps. It's hard to take out. However, this was the general idea behind this entire project, to make all of this as modular and as swappable as humanly possible so that anyone can do it. So like now, you just open one section, 4 screws. You take the sensor out, one screw, and then just take it away. Put the new one in. Take the screw, shove it down here, and potentially get it on the first attempt. Not sure how well that will work, because those things are never easy. But we'll see if I get there. Where is that? The hole is rather tiny. Maybe with the bigger screwdriver so it stays in place. Okay. Hopefully it locates it. Yes. Got it. Beautiful. So just screwing this right down. I don't need to make it super tight, just tight enough so it doesn't, so it's just not loose. That's it. Here you go. Live transplant on the first attempt. and hopefully that looks good for you. And yeah, just close this, tighten up the screws, and you're done. So now you probably understand the value of having a design that is modular. So things are really nice and easy to service, even when they fail. Well, they will fail eventually because entropy. So yeah, this bad boy will be going up most likely, or I will invent some torture test for it. It's still dirty, as you can tell. I haven't cleaned it up, but I probably should. And yeah, should I torture test this for pure amusement? I don't know. We'll see. But for now, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.